Productivity is at an all-time high. With productivity comes congestion on a job site. Crew members are working closer together than ever before, exposing you to potential injury and downtime of the project. More and more projects are required you to demonstrate your level of safety. Leica Geosystems is leading the way, and crew members working safely together at a maximum productivity. Let me introduce you to Leica Geosystems Modular Safety Awareness Solution. It consists of a tag worn on a field crew and also an anchor mounted on the machine. Let me show you how it works. The system will require you to wear a tag on your body. The tag then will operate as a safety device from you to the machine. You will have 3 different zones. When you're in the first zone, it's going to be a green zone, which is the largest radius around the machine. The green zone allows you to know you're within a safe zone to operate, as well as the operator knows that he's within the safe zone to operate with you on the ground. As you work and proceed to get closer to the machine, the system will alert the operator to allow him to know that you're now within his yellow zone. Yellow meaning proceed with caution. As you proceed with the caution, the operator then knows what direction around the machine you're in. If you're in his yellow zone on the back side of the machine, he will know that you're directly behind him and you're still within his yellow zone, of what distance that is. As your job task requires you to get closer to the machine, you might enter the red zone. The red zone is a closer radius of the machine, which is a danger zone for an operator that's swinging around with an excavator. As the operator knows that you're in his red zone, he would know what side of the machine you're on, as well as what his limits are and what he can continue to do to complete his task. You can override the system if you and the operator know that you guys can see each other and you're still within his red zone by overriding by hitting the button. You can then work within that area safely because the 2 of you guys now know that you're within his red zone. As you walk out of the red zone and you come back into it, it will alert the operator then again to let him know that you're now within his red zone again. The system will operate off of all the anchors on the machine. Every machine is going to have its own set amount of anchors. It's using triangulation between 3 anchors as well as yourself to determine distance. The system also has a really important feature. The system allows you to hit a panic button. If you find yourself in any other harmful situation or need to alert someone, you can hold down the button for 6 seconds and it's going to allow other operators to know where you're at and to what location you're there. That point in time is going to be time-stamped into a cloud-based system. Thank you. If you guys have any questions, we're looking forward to hearing from you.